Let's move on now to another story we're tracking closely here on India Today. The Unnao case where 3 girls were found in a field in an unconscious state. The police have registered a murder case. Remember that 2 of those girls were found dead in a field in Unnao district. The girls are being cremated right now. The cremation site is only about 100 meters away from where their bodies were found. Heavy security has also been deployed to ensure that there is no outbreak of violence. The 3rd victim is currently in a very critical condition. She's undergoing treatment at a Kanpur hospital. A team of 6 doctors are currently observing her. This comes after the initial autopsy of the 2 victims here, the 2 deceased, confirmed that the girls died due to poisoning. The deceased girl's father has recorded a statement before the police. He's claimed that the 3 girls were found lying on the field and that scarves were tied around their necks. The SC Commission has now taken note. They've sent a notice to the UP top cop and sought a report as well.
हाथ गर्दन नहीं, ऐसे गर्दन बताया, हाथ ऐसे रहा है, ऐसे ये गिट्टी पाछे लगी थी, हाथ ऐसे लगे।
अच्छा, ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी ने जबरन मारा है?
हाँ, बस इतना हमने रहे और क्या है?
क्या देखने में लग रहा था कि किसी ने जबरन कुछ किया है?
नहीं, ऐसा हमको कुछ नहीं लगा जबरन किया है। ये दिखता कि मार के डाल दी गई तीनों इकट्ठे, जैसे
किसी ने मार के डाल दिया है।
और बाकी जब करी है तो क्या है?
ये जब पुलिस को आपने इत्तला की तो पुलिस ने क्या किया फिर?
पुलिस ने जो अपना कार्यक्रम चालू किया, छानबीन चालू किया, दौड़ भाग चालू किया, यही किया और क्या किया।
Let me take this across to Kumar Abhishek, who's joining us live from Unnao. Kumar, any updates on the investigation so far by the police? A lot of questions being asked about exactly what happened.
Well, investigation is still on, but we still don't know what actually happened. The police is saying that they are the investigation. They are still doing this investigation. But I am right at the cremation ground, right behind me, where these 2 girls were buried few times back, and now the villagers and the family members had gone back to their home. Heavy police presence is already at the village. This has taken almost 10 to 15 minutes, and this is the field where these 3 girls were found lying. Now one is in a critical condition in Kanpur and 2 is already dead. But on the front of investigation, police is saying that still they are not reached to any conclusion. Police is still clueless. Is it a murder or something else? But clearly the dog squad is roaming around in a village. No one is clearly saying what actually happened.
Okay, we'll be tracking the latest that comes in. Kumar, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.